Okay, so a very simple tutorial on how to make the sleeve you are seeing right on your screen. I call it a ruched sleeve, right? You can make this sleeve when you make any type of bubu, any type of kimono, dress, shirt, top, gown, or anything, okay? So I'll show us how to achieve this draped part of the sleeve or ruchy part of the sleeves. A very simple tutorial, so you just come along with us, and also very elegant. So this is the bobo you saw me wearing. We are going to be draping the sleeve or ruching the sleeve, okay? So this is the sleeve around the arm area, okay, the sleeve opening area. I've not closed it, okay, so don't close yours so that it will be easy for you. So I open it up this way. This is the inner part of the sleeve of the dress or the sleeve. I'm going to be showing you two methods of how to achieve this. Number one, we are going to be using this elastic, this elastic band you are seeing, and then we are going to be using smoking rubber. So I measure, my elastic is measuring 6 inches, okay, 6 inches is what I am using. So that is subject to how long your sleeve is. So I just place it at the beginning of the sleeve this way on that shoulder seam line, you know, the point where you join your back panel and your front panel together along your shoulder line, okay, for neat finishing. So I just place the rubber band or the elastic band on that seam, and then I'm going to start stitching on the elastic band. I'm gently doing it and also pulling the elastic band along at the same time so that it drapes the fabric all together for me. Okay, so this is one method. You can use this elastic band, it just drapes it together for you, or we use smoking rubber. I'm sure you know this. If you don't know it, the name is smoking rubber. So I reel the smoking rubber into my rubber reeler, okay. I reel it into my reeler. Let me use reeler so everybody can relate. Just like you would have reeled your thread into your reeler, okay, and then I use a normal thread, a matching color thread on my as my thread, okay. So the ruching or the smoking rubber is going to be on your reeler, and then your normal thread on your sewing machine in case you don't know how to go about using smoking rubber. And then I just start sewing on that seam line on the shoulder, you know, line, okay. That's part where we illustrate earlier when we use the elastic band. So I just keep sewing on it repeatedly. As I'm sewing, it is ruching or draping, you know, that area where I want to drape together. So you have to repeatedly do this so that the more you stitch on it, the smaller the fabric becomes, okay, and the more drapey it becomes, okay. So I have to continue doing this. I have to keep sewing. The more I sew, the smaller that area becomes, because I am working on a measurement. I want the sleeve, you know, to get to somewhere around 8 inches on my arm. Okay, so I just keep draping it. I continue sewing on it. Basically, that's how to go about it, okay. Nothing biggie, nothing serious, okay. See, I'm measuring it to be sure that I have my 8 inches, okay. As you can see the one on your screen, the blue dress, the one, the adire, you see how it is looking. This is exactly what we are trying to achieve, okay. I just continue. Basically, you continue doing this. By the time you are sure of what you have, you are sure, you are okay, you are satisfied with what you've got. At this point, I think I am okay with the drapes or the ruche. Okay, I'll just stop at this point. I've gotten the inches I want, which is about 7 inches, between 7 or 6 inches. So I will stop, okay, and then I will close up my sleeve, you know, around the underarm hole area, and we are done with the sleeve. Basically, this is what it entails, okay. There is nothing serious. If you have any question, please go ahead to ask on the comment section. Do well to like, do well to follow, do well to subscribe, do well to give a thumbs up. So this is our sleeve and it is ready. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. If you found value in this short tutorial, please let us know how useful this video was to you. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.